2023 started off rough because I was going to do an unboxing video with my HP Tuners training course, which says not returnable if broken, and my video didn't take. So this is the box it came out of. As you can see, we have GM LS tuning, very basic. I did not buy their full-on course. $4.99 for a book. I cut everything off, and this is what we got. This manual, about 336 pages long. This manual, 60 pages long. Then a few little checklists. I have a little bit of experience already from using HP Tuners forum, a couple of YouTube videos, stuff like this. The main reason I got this is these last sheets right here for forced induction. Apologize for being so quick, but I just had to film this, so I'm doing it again. I don't want to, I'm a little aggravated. So what we got here is tuning tree for GM 3 vehicles, bolt-ons, minor modifications, head cam, supporting mods, and then we have the forced induction. They look like they've broken this down to be pretty easy to do. It's like step-by-step instructions. We're going to see, like I said, I have some experience tuning, but not a whole lot. I don't have a dyno or anything like that. They even give you a little dry erase marker. This math tuning VE guide, and this. Now, I will say that they did give you a pretty significant warning there. All tuning school courses and materials are copyrighted and protected by federal law. This manual has been encoded with a unique identifier to track and prevent illegal copies. We will aggressively pursue and prosecute any person producing and or purchasing illegal copies. Well, if you guys made it a lot cheaper, people wouldn't copy it. I mean, people were still going to copy and steal shit, but $500 for a book, when most of the information is on the forums and YouTube, if you care to take the time to do it. I bought this out of really a lot more of a curiosity than anything else, because I could have probably figured this out, but, you know, if they have a step-by-step guide and I don't have to search through, just spend hours on forum searching, then I don't really see, hopefully this works for me. If it's safe and effective and it works very well, I have no problem. But, you know, then again, I mean, it could have been a little bit cheaper, but if I actually go through all of this and I like it, I would definitely be interested in purchasing the Advance. So actually what I'm going to do is we're going to pan down so we can see what's going on. You'll have to forgive me, like I said, this is the second time reshooting this. It's just an unboxing video, which unfortunately for the first part of this just didn't go like it was supposed to. So again, there's my little receipts. I mean, this box I split it out of. And the warning label, not returnable if seal is broken. seal is broken, my $500 is gone, so oh well. Like I said, we got a stack of sheets. This looks kind of like some checklist based stuff. I'm guessing that's what this marker's for, is I can just go down it and like check, which is kind of awesome. It's very simplistic, and hopefully this will have some very good explanations. The only thing I don't like is it's in large print. If you're in school, I'm sure you remember the teacher's editions. That's what this kind of reminds me of. So with that, you know, if it was a lot smaller, I just feel like, you know, it would be more worth it because there would be more information per page and more stuff contained. But maybe it's thorough. I mean, it really does remind me of a teacher's edition. Can't forget that, you know, we're going to be prosecuted, but copyright notice 2008-2021, version 2.2. What's that? Your course comes with a digital download. Follow the course title found on the cover of this book. So, I'm just going to assume that that's like maybe some like training files or things that they've already set up in here. But, you know, once I actually sit down and get a chance to read this book, I'll probably do a more in-depth review to kind of tell you what my feelings are on it. I'm pretty astute. I think I can figure this out. Hold on. Let me get this. But, you know, it's $500. Just, that's it. So I hope this works for my application. Ironically, I am turbocharging a 4.3, and this doesn't cover 4.3s or North Star V8s. This is for LS engines only, so we're going to see what happens. I got a feeling that the 4.3 is just like an LS, just minus 2 cylinders. As far as tuning, I can't see it being extremely different, just because, you know, air, fuel, spark, it runs. So, but I appreciate everybody, and I'm glad to see we're having a new year here in 2023. Like I said, my second recording of the video, so I originally started this at 1 o'clock. The first hour in, I'm just trying to get more content up, and you'll pardon me, I'm going to adjust my camera back up. I'm trying to start this year out with more content and getting things set. So I'm going to start off with this first video of unboxing the HP Tuners Tuning School course. This is a beginner's course, there's an advanced, but I've got this, and I've also purchased, you'll have to forgive me, I've got stuff spread out like I said. Calibrated Success from Summit, and this, which I've already owned. I followed this, and I've used this to tune a couple of more vehicles before I even purchased this. So this and the Tuning School are what I've bought recently. $250 and $500. And I want to say when I bought this, it was like $150, but last time I looked, it was $250. So, I mean, it's a very good video. I just don't know if it's a $250 video. But I did learn a lot, and I mean, the only negative is they want you to have a dyno so you can do steady state tuning on a dyno. Not really practical in the real world because I can't afford a dyno, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys can't afford a dyno. So, street tuning in Mexico. So, all the videos we street tune in are going to be in Mexico, just for future reference, because, you know, we would never film anything illegal on United States streets for viewing. But I appreciate it, and, you know, we're going to see what we can do with our turbo 4.3 liter. I have stuff that I can unbox. Hopefully I can do that video on the first go around if I make an unboxing video for that. But I am going to do a materials list and a write-up about what we need to do for a turbo 4.3. Especially the 4.3s that use that central spider injector, because you have to replace it with a marine intake